High in the Himalayas, at an altitude of 3,680 meters, sits Tungnath Temple. It is a testament to faith and human endeavor. This ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The name Tungnath means Lord of the Peaks. The temple is the highest Shiva temple in the world. It is one of the Panch Kedar temples, a group of 5 temples dedicated to Shiva. The temple is a popular pilgrimage site. It offers breathtaking views of the Himalayas. The journey to Tungnath is arduous, but the spiritual rewards are great. The temple is only accessible by a 12-kilometer trek from Chopta. The trek takes you through rhododendron forests and meadows. The temple is a simple stone structure. It is believed to be over 1,000 years old. The temple is a reminder of the power of faith. It is a place of peace and tranquility.
Tungnath Temple is steeped in legend and mythology. According to Hindu mythology, the temple was built by the Pandavas. They were the heroes of the Mahabharata. The Pandavas built the temple to atone for their sins. They had killed their own kin in the Kurukshetra war. Shiva was angry with the Pandavas. He hid from them in the form of a bull. The Pandavas searched for Shiva everywhere. They finally found him at Tungnath. Shiva's hump appeared at Kedarnath. His arms appeared at Tungnath. His face appeared at Rudranath. His hair appeared at Kalpeshwar. His navel appeared at Madhyamaheshwar. The Pandavas built temples at all these places. They are now known as the Panch Kedar temples.
Tungnath Temple is an architectural marvel. It is built in the North Indian style of architecture. The temple is made of gray stone. It is decorated with intricate carvings. The temple has a conical roof. It is topped with a golden kalash. The temple is small in size. It can only accommodate a few people at a time. The temple's sanctum sanctorum houses a Swayambhu lingam. It is a self-manifested symbol of Shiva. The lingam is made of black stone. It is said to be very powerful. The temple also has shrines dedicated to other deities. These include Parvati, Ganesha, and Kartikeya. Tungnath Temple is a perfect example of the skill and artistry of ancient Indian architects. Section 4. The Ravages of Time, Challenges to Preservation. Tungnath Temple has stood the test of time for centuries, but it is now facing several challenges to its preservation. The temple is located in a harsh environment. It experiences extreme weather conditions. The temple is subject to heavy snowfall in winter, which can cause damage to the structure.
The temple is also facing the problem of water leakage. This is causing damage to the temple's foundation. The increasing number of tourists is also putting a strain on the temple's infrastructure. The temple authorities are finding it difficult to cope with the influx of tourists.
Section 5. A symphony of expertise, collaborative restoration efforts. Recognizing the urgent need for preservation, a collaborative effort is underway to restore Tungnath Temple to its former glory. The Temple Committee, along with several prestigious institutions, is leading this initiative.
The Geological Survey of India, or GSI, is lending its expertise to assess the geological stability of the temple and its surroundings. The Archaeological Survey of India, known as ASI, is responsible for the conservation of ancient monuments and is overseeing the restoration work. The Central Building Research Institute, or CBRI, is providing technical guidance on the use of appropriate materials and techniques. This collaborative approach ensures that the restoration is carried out with the utmost care and precision.
Section 6. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Techniques, the Restoration Process. The restoration of Tungnath Temple involves a blend of ancient wisdom and modern techniques. The experts are using traditional materials and methods wherever possible. This is to preserve the authenticity of the temple.
For instance, they are using lime mortar instead of cement. Lime mortar is a traditional material. It allows the structure to breathe. Modern technology is being used to supplement traditional methods. Three-dimensional laser scanning is being used to create a detailed digital model of the temple. This will help in understanding the structural nuances of the temple and guide the restoration process.
Section 7. Preserving Our Heritage, a Call to Action. Tungnath Temple is not just a place of worship, it is a symbol of our rich cultural heritage. It is our duty to preserve it for future generations.
We can all play a role in preserving our heritage. We can support the restoration efforts by making donations. We can also spread awareness about the importance of conservation. We can also be responsible tourists. We can avoid littering and damaging the temple premises. Let us all work together to ensure that this architectural marvel continues to inspire awe and wonder for centuries to come. Let us leave behind a legacy that future generations will be proud of.